welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Ebony and this is Organizing with Ebby. And today I'm going to show you a few techniques for organizing under your bathroom sink. So let's begin. Here are a few simple tips for organizing under your bathroom sink. The bins used for this project are from Five Below and range from $1 to $3.25. I also used an over-the-cabinet door organizer from Amazon, which was $10. After all the items are removed, do a quick wipe down. Found some extra peel and stick paper from a previous project, so I decided to put it at the bottom of the cabinet. Now it's time to sort your items and place them in baskets by categories. After all items were sorted, I wrote down each category on chalkboard labels. And now it's time to label those beautiful baskets. Now it's time to place the organizer on the door. Before placing the flat irons and blow dryer in the cabinet organizer, I straightened the cords and added a cord clipper to each item. Each item was then placed face down in the organizer. And now the project is complete. Enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.